What makes the desert beautiful is that somewhere it hides a well. Desert, the land of sand, that has the problem of scarcity of animals and water. However, deserts are important habitats for many species. A desert is generally without vegetation and water. Moreover, a desert may be too cold or too hot. An oasis seems to be a green island in a desert. Plants and animals of deserts can survive on less water. However, many other animals and plants cannot survive in deserts. Deserts hold significant importance in the great plan of nature. They are not useless pieces of land on the earth as many people consider them to be. Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine and safe. Welcome to your YouTube channel Revision Learning. So today we are going to discuss about deserts, its significance and importance. The Desert, your chapter number 3 from an Alien Hand English 1 supplementary reader book for the class 7 students. Many people hold the opinion that a desert is nothing more than an endless stretch of land. Furthermore, people have this impression of deserts that they are dry, thin, waterless, hot, and without shelter. So people hold a negative opinion about deserts. True that it doesn't always have a cover of grass. The rain is also rare, but when it does, the desert becomes as beautiful as any tropical garden. Furthermore, deserts are home to a variety of plants and animals. It is certainly a rare precious sight where desert bloom exists as rainfall takes place. No difference exists between the desert and tropical land. A desert may sometimes have mountains and hills. It may have an oasis also. Students, oasis is a fertile area specially found in deserts where there is water and plants found nearby. And oasis sometimes also becomes the habitat of many desert animals. A desert can be hot like the Thar Desert or cold like Ladakh. In general, when a place has little or no water and vegetation, people call it a desert. Sand dunes are also found in those deserts which are almost totally without water. These dunes keep on shifting across the desert. Sand dunes are mounds comprising of a heap of sand that tend to move and shift endlessly at the time of strong winds. A dune or a sand dune is a landform, or you can say it is a large mass of wind-blown sand. Dunes are most common in deserted environment such as the Sahara, and also sometimes it's found near the beaches. Very few plants survives on these shifting mounds of desert. All creatures need water. Living things that are desert adapted are able to deal with the scarcity of water. Such animals are able to survive because they require less amount of water for survival. Camel is such a desert animal that can survive without water for days. Camel is also known as the sheep of the desert. A camel can do without water for days together. The reason is that a camel can drink a lot of water at one time. They drink plenty of water and stores it in them. Camels also sweat very little and can bear high body temperature. This is because the bodies of camels are different from our bodies. We need to sweat. We, unlike camels, have to sweat to keep our bodies cool and maintain the appropriate temperature. But the camels, their bodies are totally different from us. Now, smaller desert animals hide in underground burrows, which allows them to escape the harsh or extreme desert temperature. Smaller desert animals get their water from the moisture in the things they eat. So, some of them get the water they need from the animals they eat. Those who don't eat meat or animals eat plants and seeds. Thus, they get the needed water from plant juices. Desert plants like cactus are also able to store water thanks to their thick stem. Such plants lack deep roots, hence they absorb rainwater because they are close to the surface. Students, in our cities and villages, the climate is humid. The moisture in the air acts like a blanket. It protects the earth from the hot rays of the sun, so the earth is neither very hot during the day and the same cover doesn't let the heat go out during the night, so the earth is nor very cold during the night. Thus, the variation in temperature during the 24 hours is not much. Since there is no such cover in the desert, there is much variation between the day and night temperature. The temperature rises much during the day, or you can say the temperature is extreme during the day. In the same way, it falls to a great extent during the night. Variation of temperature and dryness are distinct features of deserts. The moisture of the humid climate is missing in the deserts due to the lack of this blanket. As I told you earlier, the desert lands heat up rapidly as well as cool off rapidly at night. Desert is certainly a gift of nature to everyone. As such, its importance is the same as that of other gifts of nature like forest and ocean. Most noteworthy, one must not detest deserts but rather should consider them as a blessing of nature. So students, this is all about your chapter number 3, the deserts. So what conclusion we can draw from this chapter? The conclusion that we can draw from the desert is that the desert story sends us a powerful message about the value of deserts and why they should not be despised. Deserts have their own importance and are also a part of nature's plan. So I hope that you have understood this beautiful story, the desert. If you like my explanation, please like this video and share it to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe Revision Learning and press the bell icon so that you never miss any of our videos and updates. Till then, keep studying, keep learning because your education is our care. Thanks for watching.